Hello friends, here once again I am discussing, all of you know, integration, definite integrations of your NCERT book exercise 7.10. Okay, evaluation of definite integral by method of substitution. Okay, we are discussing from your NCERT book class 12 math. Here you see, and question number 2 I am discussing. Okay, you see integration of 0 to pi upon 2 square root of sin phi into cos to the power 5 pi into d phi. Okay, let's see now. Here you can modify this 0 to integration of 0 to pi upon 2. Okay, you write sin phi root over into cos to the power 5. Cos to the power 5 phi you can now split into, you can write cos to the power 4 phi into cos phi into d phi. Yes or no? Again you can see cos to the power 5 pi. Cos to the power 5 pi you can write cos square phi whole square, and cos square phi, cos square theta, which is 1 minus sin square theta. So cos square phi will be 1 minus sin square phi whole square. So in place of cos to the power 4 pi 0 to pi upon 2, now you write sin phi root over cos to the power 4 phi, you can write 1 minus sin square phi the whole square into cos phi into d phi. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. Now let's see the question. If you can take sin phi equal to t, so it will be derivative of sin phi will be cos phi d phi. We can replace. Okay. So let's see. Let t is equal to sin phi. Okay. Let us find out the derivative of t with respect to phi, which is derivative of sin phi is cos phi. Yes, and that is equal to, that implies derivative dt is equal to cos phi into differential of phi d phi. Okay, now you have to find out the value of t when phi is equal to 0 and phi is equal to pi by 2. All of you know. So write when phi is equal to 0, then t is equal to sin phi, which is sin 0, which value is 0. Similarly, when phi is equal to pi upon 2, yes, then t is equal to sin pi upon 2, sin pi by 2 is 1. Okay, now you can replace this value and in the given integration. Let us see here. Understand? Okay, look at here. Look at here. Now see integration of 0 to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Tell me, in place of 0, when phi is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. So in place of 0, you can write t value is 0. So write down t 0 here. Similarly, when phi is equal to pi by 2, then what is the value of t? The value of t is 1. Yes? Yes or no? So now you see sin phi. In place of sin phi, you can write root t. Yes? Or 1 minus t square whole square. T square whole square. Yes? Understand or not? And cos phi into d phi is what? We can write dt. Look at here. Here you see cos phi d phi. In place of cos phi d phi, you can write dt. Is it clear? Is there a doubt? So integration of 0 to 1 t to the power 1 upon 2, you can write 1 minus t square whole square. 1 minus t square whole square. Okay? Understand? So you can write what? 1 a square plus t square, which is t to the power 4, and minus 2t square dt using the concept of a minus b whole square. Okay. Now let us use, you can multiply here integration of 0 to 1. Now you see, you will multiply t to the power 1 by 2, it will be t to the power 1 by 2. Yes. Plus t to the power, you see 4 plus 1 by 2. The power you can add 1 by 2 plus 4, which is 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. Yes or no? Minus 2 t to the power 1 by 2 plus 2, which is 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. You understand? 1 by 2 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, which is 5 by 2. And it is dt. Is it clear? This point? Is it clear? So can you note down here? Okay? Okay, let's move. Look at it. Now see. Let us find out the value of integration now. Now you see integration of t to the power 1 by 2, which is t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is, yes, according to the definition formula of the integration, it will be power, we have to add 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 upon 2. And this value also will be 3 upon 2, all of you know. And this 3 upon 2 will be reciprocal, it will be 2 upon 3, you can write also in one step. Is it clear this point? Okay, t to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So in 3 by 2 it will be reciprocal, which is 2 by 3. Similar manner the next sign is what? Plus. Yes. Understand or not? Okay. So you can write, simplify, at t to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Similarly plus, you see t to the power 9 by 2 plus 1. Here is 9 by 2 plus 1. 9 upon 2 plus 1, which is 11 by 2. So it will be 11 by 2. And divide by 11 by 2. Yes. And this 11 by 2 will be what? Reciprocal 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Okay. Understand or not? Is it clear? Is it visible to you? Okay, let us manage it. Let me once again write. Plus, it will be what? 11 by 2 will be what? 2 by 11 into t to the power 11 upon 2. Similarly, next sign is minus 2 into, you see, t to the power 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 plus 1, it will be what? 5 plus 2, 7 upon 2. Reciprocal will be what? 7 upon 2, it will be 7 upon 2, yes. And it will be 2 upon 7 and t to the power what? 7 upon 2. This is the integration of the, and again, what? The lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1. We have tried also this one, don't forget to write. Okay. Is it correct? Understand? Now let us put this value over here. You see now 2 by 3. Now you see upper limit is what? 1. So you have to write first in place of t, you write down 1 and 2 by 3. And here 1 to the power 3 by 2, the value will be 1. Yes or no? Plus 2 upon 11. Okay. Similarly here, the value is also 1. Minus 2 to the 4 upon 7 into, and t to the power 7 upon 2, which is 1 to the power 7 upon 2 is also 1, right? Minus, you will do minus, what will happen? Yes, you will do minus, yes. Then 2 by 3 into 0. Here you have to write 0. So 0 to the power 3 by 2 is what? 0. Similarly plus, here 0, the value will be 0, here also 0. So whole term will be 0 here. Okay. Now let us see 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 11 minus 4 upon 7. Now simplify, you can get the required value. Is correct? So what is the LCM here? What the LCM is 3 into 11 into 7. You see 3 prime numbers are there. So you can write 3 into 11 into 7. LCM will be LCM of the prime numbers, what? The product of the numbers. Yes or no? Yes or no? So divide this one by 3. It will be what? You will, this LCM is divided by 3. It will be 7, 11, 7 is 77 into 2. 77 into 2. 77 into 2. 14 carry 1. 2 7 is 14 plus 1 15. 154. 154. Is it correct? Similarly plus. So this LCM is divided by 11. It will be cancel. 11 will be cancelled. And remaining factor 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 2. 21 2 is 42. You have to multiply 21 into 2. Then minus. Similarly 7. This is divided by 7. And 7 and 7 will be cancelled. And 11 3 is 33. 33 into 4. What is 33 into 4? 33 into 4. 12 carry 1. It is 13. Yes, on 132. 3 4 3 is 12. 2 carry 1. 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13. Right? Understand? So you can write 132. Okay. Now you can add 154 plus 42. 154 plus 42. It will be 6 9 196. Okay, this is 196. This is 196. 196 minus 132 upon, you multiply 11 3 is 33 into 7. 7 3 is 21. 2 7 3 is 21 plus 2 23. 231. It will be 231, right? And after evaluation you get this value will be 196 minus 32. You see 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. 64 divided by 231. Is it clear? And this is the required value of the given definite integrals by method of what? Substitution method. Okay, is it clear? No term? Understand? Okay? Okay, just follow.